Dan here from Valley Powertrain in Chilliwack, BC, Canada. And a customer of ours brought us a 2008 Chevy pickup that originally had a 5.3 LS motor in it. And he had bought a 6.2 LSX motor from GM. It was a crate motor, and had it installed in this truck. And it went around 200,000 K, a little bit over that maybe, and developed low oil pressure and a knock. So I pulled the motor out of it and tore the motor down, and I discovered that one of the roller lifters, the roller at the bottom of the lifter, right here, you can see just a little under half the roller is missing here, and all the needle bearings are gone. And of course that shrapnel went through the motor. It actually destroyed one of the cam lobes here, so the cam is going to have to be replaced. It also messed up some of the main bearings on the crank, especially this front one here. This bearing actually spun, and then there's one more here that's pretty grooved too. So hopefully this crank can be salvaged, maybe reground, and hopefully we can salvage it. But all the roller lifters are going to have to be replaced, as well as a camshaft. And you can just see down here on the block how messed up this bearing is here. And also some of the cam bearings got messed up too. Now, none of the cam bearings spun in the block or anything like that, so they should just be able to be replaced. The bores still look pretty good, but we will have our local machine shop, we'll have them mic up the bores and also the crank journals to see what we need to do here. But it does look to me that this whole thing is probably going to be salvageable, which is good, because it's kind of a neat motor. Okay. So this is going to be part one of a few part video series that I'm going to do on this motor as we go along here. And so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us some likes and give us your comments. And if you need any powertrain work done, come see us if you're in the Chilliwack area. So thank you for watching, and have a good day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.